Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to convert image to PDF on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to convert any image to PDF, so let's see how can you do that. So you don't need to install any app. You can do this for a single photo, or you can also convert multiple photos at the same time in a PDF. So now to do this, you have to simply open your Photos app and just select the photo which you want to convert in a PDF. Let's tap on this select option, then select the photos. So once you have selected the photos, just tap on the share option here and then look for print option. Just select print and it will get you on the print menu. We don't need to print these photos, but you can convert these as a PDF using this method. Just tap on the share option at the top right again, and here it has just created a PDF. So now just scroll down and look for share to files or save to files. Is the save to files option. Just select this. So here you have to select where you want to save them. Let's say I'm gonna save it on my iPhone. This is on my iPhone. You can rename it if you want. So let's say I'm gonna add it here my own PDF. Once you have done, just tap on save option at the top right, and your photos are now saved in PDF and your files apps. Just simply open your files app, and here just tap on browse option here. Then select on my iPhone or the folder where you have saved. In my case, I have saved it on my iPhone, so it's on my own PDF. Just tap on it, and you can see it has been saved as a PDF. So in this way, you can easily create or convert your images to PDF on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.